Hello, I'm Reed Chesterfield. I'm the CTIO of Miraklon. Here at drupa 2024, I'd like to tell you about a couple of industry trends we've been seeing and a product we've made to address it. First, the big trends are the need for consistency and efficiency in printing. And this is driven by brands and converters' needs to meet sustainability and cost goals. And also what we're seeing is the fluorescent UVA lamps, which are used to cure the plates, are being phased out due to environmental regulations. So the R&D team that I lead here at Miraklon has developed a new product. We call it the Shine LED Kit. What it is a high-powered UV LED lamp that can be retrofit into most existing main exposure frames that are used in plate making. So what is Shine? You can see it in the background next to some UV LED lamps and the fluorescent lamps. It's a simple retrofit kit that works with the majority of the existing main exposure frames that are out there. It provides the benefits of LED without requiring press refingerprinting, and you can get the cost and efficiency benefits of LED with no warm-up time. So we're proud and thankful that we recently won a double award from the FDA Association for innovation and sustainability. At the end of the day, the final plate is what matters the most, and the Shine LED plate is better because of its uniformity and because of the consistency plate in and plate out, because of the LED's slow aging characteristics. Shine LED lamps can be used with lamps plates and with Flex L and X and offer the improvements of LED widely. Every frame that's been retrofit with these lamps keeps something about the size of a car out of the landfill. So we're really happy about that sustainability benefit also. We are seeing customers first install one set of lamps, then have access for a few months, and then invest in retrofitting their entire operation. And so we think Shine LED lamps will be benefiting flexography for many years to come.